Now, this is how you can share YouTube link on your Instagram story using the iPhone. So naturally, you want to have the Instagram app downloaded and everything loaded up the proper way. And you get inside, and what you need to do is to start customizing or creating your story. So whatever it might be, if you just want it to be a photo or some kind of other image, just a blank one, whatever, right? You want to just click on add a new picture and then tap on the sticker button, which is somewhere along the top side of the display. So tap on this sticker, and this is going to reveal like so many different options, which includes the location, mentioning music, all the good stuff. And somewhere in here, you should also see the link. So when you click on link, you have the ability to paste whatever link you like, right? So it might be the one from YouTube in your case, but it also can be anything else that you want to share. And you can just paste that in and be happy about it, but you can also just customize the sticker text, right? So you can just type in as you can see, you can type in the link, but you can also just make the sticker say something else, right? So you can make sure that, for example, the YouTube link is going to be shown as watch my video or something like that, right? Which makes sense to you, but you can customize it the way that you desire. So that would be about it from me. I hope you managed to get it working. If you did, let me know by clicking the like button below. And if you have some other questions, just go ahead and leave them in the comments below. I really appreciate it. I really love to see that. So yeah, that's going to be about it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.